My pizza has arrived. You can see my belly doesn't wobble. So we have got it falling out. Cheesy mozzarella. I've got we have a Romano beer base, more Italian-like, and it's got. I'm gonna tear it and get straight down to business. 1 second. I'm not gonna stop out. Down. Out. Mmm. Mmm. I'm hungry. Mmm. Lighting. I'll go too close. So it's like TikTok. Oh. Look at that. Let's get this light out of the way. You can see how bloated my belly is. Oh! Stupid belly button. Look how big it is. Like I could genuinely be pregnant if it wasn't for that fat bit there. Belly nice and full of pizza.